Hi, hope you all are good. In today's video, I would like to share with you all my experience of dining at this beautiful restaurant called Tandoor at the Chambers. The first thing that would attract your attention here would be their floral decorations. These decorations at this restaurant are absolutely enchanting. These carefully arranged flowers add a touch of natural elegance and vibrant colors, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Each floral display here seemed thoughtfully curated with a harmonious blend of colors and varieties that brought a sense of freshness and beauty to this dining space. As you could see, the attention to detail in choosing and arranging the blossoms was evident, reflecting the restaurant's commitment to providing a delightful and holistic experience for its guests. I was thoroughly impressed by how they managed to hide the pillar with such beautiful flowers. The creative floral arrangement transformed what could have been an eyesore into a stunning focal point that added to the restaurant's charm. The pillar, elegantly adorned with a cascade of vibrant flowers, became a delightful part of the decor, seamlessly blending with the overall aesthetic. It was a lovely surprise that added to the ambience and also left a lasting impression on me. My experience here was nothing short of extraordinary. From the moment I walked in, I was captivated by the warm, inviting ambience that perfectly complemented the rich aroma of traditional India. The elegance of the decor, blending modern sophistication with cultural heritage, setting the stage for a memorable dining experience. The services here was impeccable, with attentive staff who made sure every detail was taken care of, enhancing the overall enjoyment of the evening. Their knowledge of the menu and their genuine passion for the cuisine added a personal touch that made the meal even more special. Each dish was a masterpiece, skillfully prepared with the freshest ingredients and a perfect balance of flavors. The tandoori selections were particularly outstanding, offering a delightful medley of textures and tastes that showcased the culinary expertise of the chefs. The dessert here, which is chocolate samosas served with ice cream, absolutely blew my mind. These delectable treats were a delightful twist for a classic favorite, combining the rich, velvety taste of chocolate with the crispy, golden perfection of samosas. It was an innovative and unforgettable dessert experience. If you ever visit here, this is a must-try dish. This restaurant experience was a culinary journey that tantalized the senses and left a lasting impression. It is a place where food is not just a meal, but an experience to be savored and cherished. I love trying different kinds of cuisines, and I'm thrilled to share my culinary adventures with you. So subscribe to my channel and get ready for an exciting food adventure around the world. Together, we will explore a variety of flavors, discover hidden gems, and learn about exquisite dining places from every corner of the world. Let's embrace the thrill of trying new cuisines and celebrate the joy of diverse culinary experiences. Join me on this delicious journey and let's savor the world one dish at a time. Thank you so much everyone of you for watching this video. Bye.